Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing well. Today our topic of science is force, light, sound and electricity. Page number 70. First we learn about the force and motion. What is force and motion? Whenever an object moves against another object, it is called frictional force. It is a force that acts in opposite to the direction of movement. Push and pull are forces. We move the object by push and pull. You can see here two pictures. In the one picture he is pulling and in second picture he is pushing. So we learn here the push and pull are two force. These are frictional force. We do many tasks using these force of motions. Here are the two pictures you see, and you can do many other tasks like this. The second one is the force of gravity as a pulling force. Gravity is the force which the earth attracts bodies near its surface. Here we learn the gravity force. Due to the pulling force of gravity, we walk on the earth. You can see here two pictures. The first picture, a boy is standing here. The floor pushes upward on the persons and gravity pull downwards on the person. And you can see Stephen Hawking the zero gravity. You see that on the ice there is the zero gravity, and you see in this picture he is try to walk but he can't do because there is the zero gravity. And the next one we read about air resistance as pushing force. Air resistance is a pushing force. It is also called dragging force. It is the force that opposes and the relative motion of an object through a fluid, liquid or gas. We have seen that when objects go upwards, air resistance hits the bottom of shuttle. It is due to the air resistance it tries to push the object. The next one is mass. Mass is the quantity of an object. Mass is the quantity of an object. It depends on the size of the object. Look at these two pictures. Truck has more mass than a small vehicle. Motorcycle. Truck is a large vehicle. Here are two vehicles, truck and motorcycle. Which has more mass? The truck. We measure mass in pounds. The second thing is here is the weight. Weight is different from mass. It is the force that earth gravity used to pull something towards it. We measure weight in pound force. Newton. Weight is 0 where the force of gravity is 0. We learn here that the weight is 0 where the force of gravity is 0. The next one we read about here the role of spring balance in measuring the amount of force. Students, you know that when we often use grams and kilograms for weight. Grams and kilograms are measuring unit of mass, not weight. Grams and kilograms are measuring units. They are used in mass, not weight. Force can cause objects to move or stop. We use force when we want to move or stop an object. We apply brakes in cars to slow down the car. Force can cause changing the direction of moving object. Force can cause object to change shapes. Here is the force of friction. Friction help us to doing many tasks in our daily life. We can change the speed moving object by using this force. It help us to stand. We can produce heat by rubbing our hands together. Here is the friction. Friction is sometimes useful for us and sometimes it can be harmful too. We use it to stop our cars. We use it to fly the aeroplane. The friction of air on the wing causes the plane to stay. We wouldn't be able to turn a door knob without friction. Our hand would just slide off. We can warm our body by friction. When campers get lost, they rub their chest, arms, and legs to create warmth by friction. Ways of reducing friction: using grease or any other lubricant, using smoother surface, using fluid for lower viscosity, using rollers, wheels or balls, bearings. These are the ways when we want to reduce the friction. We use these. Using grease or any other lubricant, it make the surface. So students, here we learn about the frictions, force of frictions in different ways. You can try to read these carefully and learn about the different ways of friction. Friction is sometimes useful for us and sometimes it can be harmful too. How it's, and learn the steps where we use frictions and ways we reducing friction. Allah Hafiz.